Hey, buddy, this is me, John D. Villarreal, and here I'm showing you Boca Grande. Absolutely unbelievable. I love this place. It's so great. This first part here, I'm kind of speeding up like a 3x or in some parts 2x to kind of get through it here. And when you first come into Boca Grande, you've got this toll bridge. It does cost you a little bit to get over to the bridge here. You've got two short bridges and it's kind of a middle stretch there. It's actually pretty cool and kind of sets up the whole experience, in my opinion. You'll see here in a second. And as you go over this first bridge, over to your left, as you're going over, you're gonna see like there's a little sandbar area, a lot of boats out there. You kind of can hang out there. It's actually really cool. You got a lot of that. Now this middle part here, it's very nice. It's green. You can't park there though. So it's just kind of a nice little sort of break in between of the two bridges. Then you have that next bridge that you go over here. And it's a short little bridge. And then you can see the boats hanging out there and the sandbar, that whole area. It's super cool. And then you can see a lot of activity out there. And then boom, you're right here. You're into Boca Grande here. It's awesome. You can see here now when you come in here, there's one road in and out, one lane each way. So, and then what happens is, I guess, so another little short bridge here. Off to your right is going to be sort of on the north end of the island are some bigger houses. A wider area, a bigger area of beach, if you will. Here, it's sort of and you have some of the really big houses. You have some very nice big houses all across this place. It's really one of my favorite places, and it's really interesting with Boca Grande. A lot of golf carts there. It's kind of like a combination of La Jolla and the Keys and maybe like the Hamptons. It's like it's kind of a mashup, but in a super cool way. It doesn't have like the best beach. It doesn't have like the best shopping. It doesn't have like a lot, but it has it's not the easiest to get to. It's not the most chill, but the combination of everything is amazing, and it's unlike anywhere else that I've seen in Florida. That's why I love it. Like I can't wait to go back to this place. It's really cool. The downtown's it has a golf course, it has a country club. The downtown here, you've got the Pink Pony over there, which is the ice cream. You've got some little shops and different things. You've got the Gasparilla Inn. You've got some different spots to kind of eat and hang out and chill. Little boutiques and stuff. Now I don't think there's a gas station on the island, so there's not like a big Publix and stuff like that, but you've got some cute little shops here. Okay, here we go. Plenty of parking down here. You've got the trees and everything. And here's some of the downtown here. Very cool, very quaint. You can see like the golf carts are here. There's some and everyone. And it's just very chill. And we're like a couple blocks from the beach, so everything's very, very easy here. It's awesome. The rich and famous go there. It's a great getaway. The best way I can describe it is like, if you're going for one day on a beach trip, like it's cool. Like if you're close enough, like definitely I'd recommend that. But I think the way to really approach this is maybe the way a lot of people approach the Keys. Like if you're going for a long weekend or even an overnight I think would totally be fine. It's like amazing. Like you would go and you would eat at one of the restaurants. You'd go hit some of the beaches. You would go see some of the state parks. It's super cool, and I think that would be a way to experience this. That would be really, really amazing. And in that aspect, I think it really stacks up. What's cool about it is a lot of things. It's super easy to park. Okay, you've got plenty of parking, lots of free parking. In fact, they even let you park on the grass, which you're gonna see from some of the drone shots here and when I'm driving as well. And you can park on the grass, and that's really cool. We actually were able to park, and we were blocks away from the beach. It was super easy, totally chill. And you can see here, when I'm in the air with the drone, it's nice. It's like, it's not that big. It's very approachable, very easy to do. To deal with rather, and get around the entire, you can easily see the whole island in a day. That's not a problem whatsoever if you get there, early enough. But it's big enough where there's kind of like different pockets and things to do. Like you can deal with the intercoastal. I also hear there's really good tarpon fishing there. You can see the water, like you've got lots of long stretches of beach, which really, really look good. The water's amazing. You got some shells there. You got a little bit of that because you kind of have that going on with the Sanibel Island, and this isn't too far from that, right? It's a little bit north of that, of the Sanibel Island Captiva, and this is just north of that. And then you Boca, but you still had very nice stretches of beach there. You can see the water's awesome, the waves are awesome. It's really cool, and just a lot. You have just miles of nice little beach line right there. But then you also have these amazing houses and mansions and condos and stuff right up against the beach. So I really love that, and I love the village aspect of it. You really don't find that kind of combination, like maybe like a Lido Beach. It kind of did remind me, as my wife was saying, like Naples. You have the Naples vibe there too. So I guess that, yes, that would make sense to me too. So it's kind of like that. It's kind of like, I don't want to say the best of, but you know, you have some of the good parts of Naples, some of the good parts of the Keys. You do have that fishing aspect there. You do have that chill aspect. You know, La Jolla. It's just a lot of, I keep repeating myself, but it just brings back those kind of memories, those kind of vibes. And what I love about it is it's a true like getaway. When you cross that bridge and that island, you just feel like you're just away from so much stuff. But what I love about it is you don't have to go all the way down to the Keys. And the problem that I have with the Keys is there's not a lot of like amazing beaches, not like this. This beach is amazing stuff. And I do like that you have like a kind of a town center, a kind of a there. Like you can kind of, you know, meet up with some different people. You can, if you have like a group staying there or whatnot, you have different pockets you can go to. You can see it all. It's very easy. I don't have to go through all these different, and the Keys are great. They're just different, right? Okay, so we went to that beach, which was awesome. This is the main strip to go to the lighthouse. So we just went from the downtown, and all to the right over there is going to be all the beach stuff. Got some great access. So this right here is just going to get us to the, you know, Barrier Island lighthouse, which is very cool. And there's beach access all around here, which is awesome. You see these nice houses. You can already see right there the lighthouse, which is very cool. Very small island. Awesome. I mean, honestly, like this is one of my favorite places in Florida. It's just so easy, so nice. Everybody's cool. You know, the beach isn't as amazing as Siesta Key, but it's nice. A lot of shells in it. Obviously, there's different beaches. We've just explored some of it. But in terms of just easy to get to, very nice, very chill, quick access, free parking, just a nice, cool vibe. I mean, it kind of definitely reminds me of a like upscale Keys. Like it's like you feel like you're away from everything. Or even, yeah, right. It's got some like
all of them have the same vibe.
Yeah, kind of Naples, kind of like Keys. But honestly, like this is one of my favorites, just because it's just chill. You know, now you can see some massive houses here that obviously are really, really cool, and on either side here, no doubt about it. Golf carts all around and bikes, because it's just easy to get around here. And then you get these little parking lots for the beach access. It's very, very chill, you know. Would I want to be here? There's that lighthouse right there. Look how cool that is. Really, really nice. And I think they said it was imported from somewhere up north, and then you can see that door, and then they had to rebuild the door and everything. So that's very cool. But what I love about this is it's nice, it's fancy, but it's also like chill. It doesn't feel snobby. I don't know what the right word is, but everything's very accessible, kind of it's yeah, it's very casual, very chill, you know, almost like a little bit like a La Jolla vibe. You know, you got that beach stuff. The beach is definitely very cool, and just a lot of places you can just access it. So it's easy.
Some places that remind me of Aruba.
It definitely reminds me of Aruba as well, and we love Aruba. And it's just no stress here. I don't know if I'd want to be here 365, you know, 24/7, 365, but I might. Definitely a great vacation spot. Definitely a place to have a second, third home. Definitely maybe you retire. I don't know. I mean, there's no reason not to be here. I mean, you're pretty close to everything. And again, yes, you're living the island life, but you can just hop right over and you're in that Northport area and it's right there. It's not a big deal. Okay, there's the Boca Grande Lighthouse over there, or in there a little bit, and then the Gasparilla State Island Park. Gasparilla Island Park was getting a little later, so we're not gonna totally do all that right now. But then there's more beach access over there, as you can see. So it's very nice over here. It's really, really nice. It's really cool. And yeah, we love it, it's beautiful. Look
Look at this, and this is towards the edge here where the lighthouse is and everything. You can see the lighthouse over there as well.